It's the 2nd of July 2021. Here's Kannuskuja. Eidstekes team here in Hakoniemen Håkansperre. Vantaa Vanda, Helsinki's most major Uusimaa in Finland. We have been in one staircase in building 10 and one staircase in building 9, but we can check all the other ones. So it's built in 1979 by Conning, but I have to try to save my battery, so 100 is enough.
Yeah.
Because the buttons were changed. Capacity is 4 per so 320 grams. And the serial number is. I'm gonna check it soon. Well, it's good that they still put them with elevators and 5 floors. It's 441, 43. If there had been only 4 floors, maybe they wouldn't have had it.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2023. Turned 40 years old in 2019. And also only 100 because I have to save time.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if it was more. So that's it.
That's